Meet the Shake and Go full wig from HerGivenHair. It is no lace, no glue, no gel. Just shake it, pop it on, and you're good to go. Let's start with the unboxing. It does come with some goodies that you'll definitely need for this install. The wig itself is a full-on cap, y'all, except for like a small lace section right at the top, just enough to give you that natural look without the fuss. When we look at the construction of the wig itself, it does come with two built-in elastic bands that you can move to adjust for a super secure fit. Now, if you need a secure, it does allow for a removable band. HerGivenHair gave us not one, not two, but three combs. One back, two on the sides. It's lightweight, beginner friendly, and designed for everyday wear. But also, can we just take a moment to appreciate this texture? Like, oh my goodness. Oh, texture goodness. This is how it looks straight out the box. It's cool. I like the cut. It does give you a little banging situation. Because don't get me wrong, it is gorgeous, gorgeous afro texture, very tight coils, okay? It's bold, it's full, it's super natural looking, but we about to kick it up a notch. Yeah, remember Emerald Degrassi? I think that's what his name was. From Alpha Food Network. Bang! No pun intended, because you know the bang. Anyway, so whenever I get a new wig, I always like to make sure that I wash her. So I wash her with a detox shampoo. Make sure I get everything out of it that doesn't need to be there, that doesn't need to be on my hair. Much to my surprise, as I was washing the unit, y'all, I just found out right then and there that it had a drawstring. Excuse me? A drawstring? Can this unit get any more perfect? I love drawstrings. Oh, so all I know is that this is going to be secure, 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 secure. Oh, did I say secure? In case you missed it, secure. And then after washing, I go in with conditioner. This is the part that I like to take my time with. You really, detangle the curls. If you detangle the curls before styling it, it comes out so much better. Because the texture is a lot like my natural texture, I wanted to use something that I knew was going to be, not weighing the curls down, because I want it to be lifted. My natural hair is very fine and it gets weighed down by products easily. And so I was like, should I go with the mousse or should I go with like a styling custard? I feel like with the mousse, it definitely would have elongated the curls too much to the point where it looks like it's weighed down. I want something that's going to give it some fluff. And so I went with the Miche anti-humidity gel. This stuff is amazing, and for this product you definitely have to use this on soaking wet hair. So you can imagine once I was done, it took a while for it to dry, but like, look at the curls. It's so gorgeous. It reminds me of my natural hair. Oh my gosh, I had to go deep into the vault because I had a very similar haircut, and this was like one of the times I did a wash and go, but it's so perfect to show you guys the comparison because look at those curls, look at the coils. It matches my hair to the Z's, to the coils, to the everything. Not only was the hair wet, but the cap itself was soaked. Okay, so it's going to take a while for it to dry, especially because it's on my mannequin head, which has texture. I put it under the dryer, but once it dried, you guys, fluff, 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 shake it on out. Let's go. I have my natural hair tucked away in a simple protective style. It's straight back. I got the set it off braids. I can't beat the allegations. I look exactly like Cleo. If you could not tell by my face, I was super excited to just put that on. The fact that I can just put it on, no lace, no glue, and it looks like my hair. It looks like my hair, just wow. Oh, right, yeah, drawstring. Oh, mind you, I didn't use any of the combs. I didn't even use the adjustable, removable head strap. No, all I'm using right now is just the drawstring in the back. Oh, and don't worry, it's a full wig, no lace in the front. However, if the wind blows, this is what the people will see. And because it's a full wig, it does have that C shape around the ear. It's something about a wash and go moment. Like when the curls are defined, she's defined. However, we want volume. We want volume. So I grabbed my comb. I started picking her out, giving her a nice little fluff. You can already see the difference between like my left side in comparison to my right side. It's a lot more fluffier. Protective styles like this aren't just like about switching up your look. Okay, they give your natural hair a break. Less manipulation, less stress, more growth. Wigs like this, they are lifesavers for keeping your hair safe while switching up your look. Just look at that bounce on it. Just bounce on it. Yeah. So, you know, because it's a kinky coily texture, some curls are going to be a lot more tighter or looser than the others, and so I did have to go in and kind of shapen it up a little bit. Not too major, although I feel like in the back I should have done a little bit more cutting, but this is how much I cut, not too much. And because of the crunchiness, I did use some oil to kind of like remove some of that cast, you know, fluff it out some more, and shapen it up a little bit more to perfection. And this is how it came out. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And of course I had to come back and give you a comparison shot, because why does it look like my hair texture, the shape and everything, like, oh my god, get ready to confuse people. And y'all, the best part, no glue, no gel, no stress. I can't stress that enough. And the fact that it's a full wig, it's for beginners, for moms, for professionals, anyone who is short for time. This wig is a true grab and go solution. So whether you're rushing out the door or just want an effortless style, the shake and go full wig is exactly what it says. Shake it, pop it on, and live your best life.